Kutore nyika Bellarmine Chatunga wasvora zvikuru sewiki ino panyaya yavo yekusungisa ambuya namai vevana, asi sewiki ino vati aiwa iwa vapindure mhondi vanotya kupfurwa vakasiya vana. Uko Susan Mutami ari kuti amai nini Lulu vakatokonekamwa chero neIVF chaiyo, ndosaka sewiki ino vachinyanya kunetsana naSonia. Ivo sewo vaenda vakanodropa macharges vakati havasi kuregreta anything about that, especially kuti amai ambuya vakapinda mukati at 63 vakanzwa bhata. Ndo mashoko avo vati vakazoburitsa mudzimai pamusana pekuti vana vangavoramba vongochema. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Nyaya dzacho dzinenge dzakawanda ka topedzisira takanganwa kumhoresana. Regai titange navamugabe vati ivo never show respect to a man who uses a temporary political power to attack the mother of his children. Plus ambuya vako then pretends to spend the night on a mountain praying to a loving God. Which God? Vana vachakura vachiti chii? Hatisimbisi zvakadhakwa, Mwari ndiye mukuru wenguva. Ivo se vapindura vakati uyu handichapindurwi, imhondi, ndingapfurwa ndikasiya vana vachiri vadiki. Bellarmine wati iye pain goes straight to mukuru wekuvhara vanhu kumeso nemota. You can call me what you want baba, but shoko ngarisvike ikoko, and shoko rasvika. You have responded. The first Zimbabwean man kusungisa ex-wife na ambuya. Iwe budisa ambuya washa mujere, ndimbuya vana vako uri madzibaba rudzi, dishing out kazi kuda kubowa ex. Winky D said rudo kana rwapera usafaite. Iko katsika kekuda kufixa wawasiyana naye murudo kana iko kakuzvinyepera. Chenjera kuzvivhiringira life yako nekuda kubowa maex. Itai move on baba, hatisimbise zvakadhakwa. Usabate vanhu kumeso nekuvatengera mota. Hakuna madzibaba vanosungisa amai vevana naambuya. Wewe umarondera today ndo kwatiri pakukura neshungu school. Idawe kwako old people's home, Nyameni orphanage, helping the needy. Ndo zvataurwa nabamnini vakati aiwa ivo vasemeswa zvikuru nekuitirwa Sonia moyo wakashata kudaro. Susan Mutami naye wabva wangoti sometimes I don't understand men. Why would you want to have custody of the children when 3/4 of the time you are never home? Children require stability, proper parenting, your presence, and not nannies and cash giveaways. Why would you want to take the children from their mother and let someone who has rotten ovaries, who can't bear you a child, look after another lady's child? Munakarambwa ne IVF chayo. Ladies, if you have kids with these ZANU-PF officials, big wigs who are abusive, never be afraid to start over. Pack your bags and take the children with you. Seek asylum, rebuild your life. Look at me and my kids, we are living the dream right now, and the kids are thriving. I'm looking at purchasing multi-million-dollar investment properties for them. Don't slave for a man. As for Sonia, I got your sensitive file this morning, and all I can say is that once you and your mama out, take the kids with you to the US Embassy. Just like Australia, America cares about women and children. That's their number one mandate. Otherwise, the plan is to eliminate you because you are a liability and you know too much. Your life is more important than this. Marino itwaimwe. You will thank me later. Do mashoko Susan Mutami ari kuti iye aiwa amainini budai mutiza nena wikinero because mkomana uyu achakukuvadzisai. Ngarivume ati iye jaji ivava ndo maitiro avo. Kana pane nyaya dzakadai vanogona kungorwara zvavo. Aiwa unomugara vane mukati. Regai tinzwe sewiki ino vachitaura mashoko avo vari kuti havasi kuregreta kuita chinhu ichi asi withdraw zvavo macharges.
She's the mother of my children, so I have forgiven her. My kids have been calling, asking, where's mommy? So once it involves my kids, then I'm defeated. Because those are the people I love the most.
And do you at any point regret the chain of events, what had happened?
No, I don't regret anything because for my mother-in-law, to circulate, fake pictures of me and President Ramaphosa as a way of trying to show that President Ramaphosa's spokesperson lied, that it was my first time meeting him at Cricket Farm. I think that was a bit out of order. She went to the extremes. Citizens must respect heads of state. That was uncalled for, and she deserves to have slept inside for a few days. So she knows what to do as a 63-year-old woman. So,
so does this mean this is the end of your relationship with the Mazikanda family?
No, our relationship can never end. We have 2 children, so it's okay, and I'll still be there for them. I've forgiven them. That's why I've withdrawn the charges.
And does it mean similar charges, including the ones, the fraud and everything?
Yes, well, fraud, as a person who understands the law, there was no fraud that was committed, but she attempted to try and buy some piece of land worth 1.4 million with my children's investments, and according to the High Court order, we agreed that $5 million is for my children's cash investment, but behind my back she was trying to go and buy land to try and build clusters. So as a mother-in-law, that's not her responsibility to try and run my children. And my ex-wife has been trying to connive with banking officials to say, can they remove Wicknell as a signatory on the children's account, when in the beginning the order said I play an oversight role. The money belongs to my kids and she's the mother of the children. So, but I just give an oversight role. So for her to try and remove my name so that her and her mother can go and build class, that's, that's a complete attempted fraud, but it's just unacceptable.
Ndo mashoko asewikineu aya vari kuti ivo aiwa vachaenderera mberi vachishandidzana nemhuri yekwamadzikanda chero vambovasungisa. Vazhinji vafara zvikuru kuti sewikineu vazoita chiitiko ichi, vakati aiwaka vana are the ones that are going to suffer, and by the end of the day vana vanga vachifona gogo havapo kuti vatekeke of vana. Iwewewo haukwanisi kutora vana ugare navo, zvabva zvangoita kuti Sonia abude zvake adzokere kuvana vake. Vamwe vari kufarira mashoko aGushungu vakati, well said Gushas, our good morals and values as black people don't permit us to do such annoying things under any circumstances. However, we shouldn't turn a blind eye to what Sewikineu did for Sonia, giving her 5 million for her upkeep and child maintenance. Honestly, we can't say Sewikineu is a bad guy. Maybe something pushed him to that extent. The fact that he parted with 5 million for his ex-wife shows maturity. Perhaps Sonia crossed the line, leading him to approach the police and courts. Plus, futi nyaya dzevanhu vanombopinda machira vese vakashama dzinonetsa kunzwisisa. Kudai izvozvi hapasipo pane nyaya pese zvinogona pane zvimwe zvatiri kuvanzirwa zvisiri kutaurwa apa. Kana akakwanisa kupa mukadzi 5 million, uzosungisa mai vemukadzi over 1.4 million trust fund. Iye achingopa vanhu vese mari zvisina kana a good reason for doing that. Nyaya yachoka. To me, it's not making any sense zvachose. But to be honest, don't you see that Sonia went too far? Wikineu was cool all along, seeing her abuse on social media, and also she was being given lots of money on top of that. She was given everything, but she's just unthankful and thought that she can fix Wikineu by some funny things, which ended up ruining her life. Do you think that Wikineu wasn't aware that his mother-in-law was doing all the bad stuff to him? But he was just watching. But he got angry finally when Sonia started posting the footage of nonsense. That's when he stopped her and remembered that his in-laws were also doing zvinhu kubackground uko. Bedweka, Sewikineu is a big man, guys, not to play around with. Vanhu vati ayewa bamunini imimika muri kungoitira nyaya yekuti munzi endai munoona Victor aiwa bodo panyaya iyi. Sewikineu vanga vachitori wrong zvakatodaro. But anyway guys, Sonia abuda adzokera kwana vake. Ticharamba tichingokupai nyaya dzenyu. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.